Sometimes when you import your wallet into Koinly, you might see a missing price or missing purchase warning. Koinly usually fetches prices automatically using APIs, but if it can't find them, you will get a missing price warning, and if you don't fix it, your gains might look higher than they actually are, which means you could end up paying more tax than you should. To fix it, go to the Transaction tab. Here you can see all of your recorded transactions. Now click on Warnings and select Missing Price. This will bring up all the transactions where Koinly couldn't find a price reference. Next, click on the specific transaction where you want to add the missing price. Here you can see a missing price transaction from July 12, 2025, and if you click on it, you will find the details like the date, time, and asset, which shows one NFT. That means a single unique NFT asset, and since Koinly couldn't locate its price, it's showing the missing price warning. Now to add the missing price, click on the three dots on the top right corner of the transaction and select Edit. Next, you will need to find the worth of that NFT on the platforms like CoinMarketCap or even the NFT's original marketplace. Now, if you check the CoinMarketCap, you can see that on July 12, 2025, around 5 o'clock, NFT's price and the trading volume, and these are the values that we will use to update Koinly. Now, to add this in Koinly, click here, then enter the NFT's worth, and once done, click on Save button. Koinly will now update this transaction with the correct value, and the missing price warning will disappear from your list. Now refresh your transaction page and you will see the warning is gone. That means your transaction is now updated and your earnings are showing correctly for the tax purposes. And that's it. Now you know how to fix missing price warnings in Koinly so your tax report stays accurate and you don't end up paying more tax than you should.